Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating the simplest hardware causes. Power cycle the Xbox and TV because residual power can lock the HDMI handshake. Once done, swap the HDMI cable and try a different TV port to isolate a cable or port fault. Make sure the TV is set to the exact input and that its HDMI mode supports the Xbox resolution. Some TVs mislabel ARC or CEC inputs, so turn those off temporarily to force a clean signal. Next, you focus on software. Boot the console into low-resolution mode or the troubleshooting menu to reset display settings. That forces a basic HDMI handshake. Then check for and apply system updates because firmware often fixes HDMI negotiation bugs. If you can't update online, prepare an offline USB update. Also, make sure you temporarily disable 4K, variable refresh, and 120Hz settings, since high modes can exceed a TV's capability and produce a no-signal condition. For final steps, back up your data and perform a factory reset only if all earlier attempts fail, because it restores default HDMI settings and clears corrupt configs. If the issue persists, test the console on a different display or a capture card to determine whether the fault is internal. If you still get no signal, contact Xbox support or arrange warranty repair. If you need one troubleshooting tip, reboot the TV and console together after any change to re-establish the HDMI handshake cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.